In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a mobile hotspot on your Windows 11 computer or laptop. So this is a really useful feature as it means you can share your Wi-Fi connection on your laptop to your other devices. So that means as long as you're connected to a Wi-Fi, you can go and share this to your iPhone or to your iPad. So to go and do this, click on your Start menu and search for Settings, and then open up the Settings window. From the left-hand side, click on Network and Internet, scroll down to Mobile Hotspot and click on this, and just go and turn on and enable the mobile hotspot. Now, where it says Share Over, you need to select Wi-Fi and then scroll down to the network properties. So from here, you can go and scan this QR code to go and automatically connect to the network. So you can do this on any of your devices, such as your phone or your iPad. Alternatively, if you want to go and manually connect to this network, then you can go and connect to this by using this name here and also the password below. If you need to change this information, click on the edit button and you can go and rename your connection and also your password. And that's it, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.